What's going on, guys? Today I have the $2 knife that you can get at Walmart just in the camping section. It's by Ozark Trail, and it's really, they just call it the pocket knife. And we're going to cut open and see what $2 in the knife world gets you. Just basic specs. It's stainless steel. It has a serrated blade, obviously, you can see that. And it's a plastic handle, and it has a pocket clip, which you can't really see. I've read some reviews of it online, and of course it's a $2 knife. You can't expect too much. That's a really beater knife. For $2, you're not going to be losing too much here. I'm going to try to cut it open with a box cutter. I don't think that's the best for this operation, but it might get the job done. Let's see here. Let's see. Ooh, man. I like how they put the knife in the thing. You'll need a knife to get out, but such is life. This box cutter's not really cutting it here. Oh, not really cutting, and I cracked myself up. Did get it open. Now let's try to take the contents out. Here's the cardboard backing. Let's get this knife out. Ugh, man. Come on. Here we go. Oh yeah, you can tell this is pretty cheap. Very light. I'll put some measurements as far as weight goes, hopefully in the description. But yeah. Let's test the fold. Folds nicely. One-handed action is not too good on this blade. Pretty cheap plastic. Pretty cheap metal too. It's not the most sturdy. You can hear there's some audible noise. Just giving you a profile shot here. Yeah. Let's hold on. Give me a second and we'll get a closer look at this knife. The overall length of the blade is 3 inches. The length of the whole knife open is 7.5 inches. And the length of the knife closed is 4.5 inches. This is just a quick overview of the knife. I'm going to be doing some strength testing, and I might do a little review on this later on. So far as what I can see now is the pocket clip seems pretty stiff, like almost too stiff, but at least you know you won't be losing that anytime soon. Like I was saying earlier, it does feel rather flimsy, but in the up and down motions, it feels like it will stay. But you get what you pay for. It's only $2. And it seems like a pretty good value to me. Blades definitely sharp. Yeah, stay tuned for more knife videos. Take care.